yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time here. It is Vlogmas Day 20. 5 more days left of Vlogmas. I'm excited to get through them and be done. So today, and I actually need to quiet it down because this is going to be sort of like a pack with me. You guys would have seen that, and sorry, my glasses, my light. So you guys would have seen that let me straighten y'all out. I think that's straight. It's gonna have to do. You guys would have seen in my what I got my kids for Christmas video that the boys, their main trip is a trip to Great Wolf Lodge. Look, let me sit down because these not my 15-year-old knees. I had these 30-year-old knees. Ooh, they feel every bit of it. So, like I was saying, I have to try and be quiet. The boys are laying down for a nap. So I'm like, let me hurry up and run and do this because they have no idea what's going on or the surprise that is to come. But like I was saying, I'm gonna hurry up and try to run through this stuff as quickly as possible so that I can get it done before they wake up. So to start off, I'm just going, the things that are not going to be in the bags, the suitcases. I'm planning on bringing like some snacks, some cheese, some fruit, chips and dip, just a few things to have in the room so that if we kind of, you know, want to snack on something late night or while we're there, then we'll have like little snacky type stuff in our room. So to get started, look, y'all know my energy drink. Bangs. Yes. So, put that right there so there's a ball. So, I have found whenever we travel by car, not like if we're getting on a plane or anything, I have found that I like to put our personal care stuff, like instead of putting it in like a toiletry type bag, I have an extra one of these specifically for traveling. So if we take road trips or anything, and this will sit on the counter in the bathroom or on the dresser in our room. So I have paper towels. We have, let me set this down so it doesn't, look. Listen, they may clean, but they don't clean like how I clean. So I always bring some wipes and some Lysol. I have towels, our towels, the boys' towels, the boys' soap. I just always bring one thing of lotion or something that we all can share. Mouthwash, our body wash, any type of face products that I might want to use, like my facial scrubs and stuff. And then I have, what is this? These are toothbrush covers. So I have our toothbrush covers, and I will be putting the toothbrushes along with a few other things in the bag the morning of. And then I always like to bring glasses case, wipes, and spray to clean our glasses. Sorry, I'm checking to make sure I have enough filming time. And I'll also add in here, I need to put, because this isn't everything, but I really needed to get this video out of the way. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and show you guys what I have. I'll be putting in some extra contact solution, extra contact case, just to be prepared, because you never know what's going to happen. And then I'm going to put in, or we'll also bring, obviously, our chargers, probably the iPad and the Nintendo Switch, just to have. My husband is probably going to play that, not the boys. And I think that's everything. That's not clothing. Now, to get started with the boys, of course, I'm packing underwear and socks. Okay, so I probably should have said this in the beginning. I'm all over the place, y'all. I've been running on like fumes these past few days, getting these Vlogmas videos out and also trying to prepare for this trip. It's a lot, but we getting through. We getting through. So we're taking him on a trip to Great Wolf Lodge. You guys saw what it is. It's like an indoor. It's like an indoor amusement water park lodgy themed resort. So that is where we're taking them. So of course I went ahead and packed their beach towels, so they have those, and then I just ended up throwing just an extra little blanket just in case they want it wherever we are in there, if they just want to, you know, have it in the room. So I did that. And then last year when we went to Florida, I ordered some stuff off of Shein, which I love. And they both have, that's Kai's pair. They both have a pair of these little white, they're like foam, they're super soft little shoes. And these are basically their beach shoes. So these they will be using for the water park. Some nice like water shoe type things so that I don't have to worry about, you know, stuff holding on to water. I'm packing their house shoes that I need to replace, but we're going to Walmart, so I should probably check there and see if I can find something. Kai's house shoes, Cam's house shoes, and then these didn't come from Shein. I just love Shein bags. Like, I use them for everything. So I packed them their swimsuits. And then I did the roll technique. So on each side, yeah, you guys can see. I have Cam's stuff on this side, Kai's stuff on this side, just so that it's easier with keeping things together and finding stuff. So I packed them 2 pairs of pajamas apiece. And I just took them together. Well, normally, guess I was in a rush. I'll take the shirt in front of the pant, fold it over. Now, when we fly, I do this super tight, but since I'm not packing as much and we're not going as far, it really doesn't have to be like perfect. But I just take and roll so that we keep everything together. So, pajamas. Everything is together, nothing gets lost, and they can find stuff easily. So I packed them both 2 sets, that's Kai's, 2 sets of pajamas a piece. And then I went and threw in a jacket because even though it's like a, what am I trying to say? Water park resort, I don't know how it's going to feel in there. So I don't know if it's going to be cold or if it's going to be hot. So I'm just packing them a jacket just to be safe. You know us mamas, like, we sometimes overpack, and I keep telling myself, don't overpack. Like, it's okay, we're driving, they will be fine, we can stop wherever if we need something. So as far as clothes, I decided to pack an outfit with an option of shorts and pants for each one of them. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So like I said, I roll them up to keep them all together. And this is Cam's. So he has these pants, clearance. I'm pretty sure they were like 99 cents. He has a shirt. And then I went ahead and packed him a long sleeve shirt because he loves his long sleeves. So I'm like, let me just give him a long sleeve option just in case. And then I have a pair of shorts that could go with it too. So if he decides that he wants to wear shorts, he can put one of these options on with the shorts, or if he's kind of colder and he wants to wear the pants, he can put it on, the shirt choice on with the pants. You roll this back up. All nice and together. So he has that, and I packed them 3 different options. We will be there for 3 days. I probably should have said that earlier. I told y'all I'm all over the place. Like, And then he has this set with pants, shorts, and a little dry fit shirt. And I'm not really packing them any shoes per se. They will just have the one pair of shoes that they wear there. So that pair is probably just going to be a pair of black tennis shoes that they can wear. Well, I might pack their other pair of Nikes. And then I have this little set also. Just to have, just in case. You never know, kids spill stuff, and it's always good to have an extra set. So for Kai, I packed him this set, gray pants, dry fit shirt, and a pair of black shorts. That is one. Look, I'm trying to hurry up. And then Kai's favorite color is red. So these little red pants, this dry fit shirt, and then some black shorts. These are actually the same black shorts, but they were on clearance as the other ones. But they were on clearance at Walmart for, was it $1? So I just got 2 pairs. Like, I mean, they're black shorts. You can wear them with anything. And his favorite, like, character right now is Sonic. So his godmom got him these. So I'm going to bring this little outfit for him to wear if he so chooses, which he will because he loves it. And that is everything I'm packing for the boys. I really told myself not to overpack. Like, they will be fine. They will be okay. I don't think I'm adding anything extra into their cases. I will be bringing our elf, Jamal, so that he can surprise them while we're there. So I will be doing elf on the shelf little things while we're there. But let me put this away, and then I will be back and show you guys what else I'm packing. Now, I won't be showing you guys the stuff that my husband is bringing just because I'm not packing his stuff. He's probably going to pack the morning of or the night before, so that's on him. Okay? So, for our suitcase, let me make some room. So before I get into the suitcase, these are the shoes I will be wearing there. And I'm going to bring my Puma slides. And I think that's it. I'm trying to keep it very simple. I might throw a pair of flats in there just in case, which I really don't think that we're going to need them. So I'm planning on wearing these shoes with every outfit, just to keep it as simple and as easy as possible. So, of course, I packed our beach towels for the water park. And then I went ahead, and this is like our beach bag. The beach bag that I have whenever we go on vacation. So I can put, whenever we go down to the water park, I can put our towels in here, my phone, I don't know, whatever we may need, so that I don't have to bring my purse. And it's very unique. I actually got this from Walmart, and I have not seen another person with something like this, so, or this pattern. So I'll be bringing that to carry. And then I have a little cover up Goodwill. Y'all know I have a cover up for the water park. And okay, so I don't know how I'm going to feel when the time comes. So I'm packing 3 swimsuits. So we'll see. We'll see what I feel like wearing. So I'm just going to pack 3 just in case. I'd rather have options than to not. So I have this little green one. I have this multicolored one, very cute and vibrant. And then I have this black one, which this black one, listen, Walmart, I'll probably end up wearing this black one, to be honest. So I don't know if you guys can tell, it's one shoulder, it goes like this, and then it comes and it ties on each side. So yeah, I'm bringing those. And then for my 2 sleepwear options, okay, I'm good. I'm just bringing a longer, you guys saw this. What is this from? Not, oh, Gap. Yeah, when I did my little sleepwear haul. So I'm bringing a longer sleeve pants just in case I'm cold. And then I have my little satin short set if I am on the warmer side. Packing that, of course I'm packing, you know, underwear, socks. I have this little dress that's super, super comfortable that I can wear to the water park, or I can bring to the water park, and if we end up, you know, leaving after, then I can just throw something on if we're walking around. And then as far as like clothing, it's pretty much long sleeve, relaxed fit shirts with with leggings and socks. So I have this long sleeve with my black leggings. It can go with the same shoes. And then I have the purple little light long sleeve shirt, leggings. It can go with the same shoes. And then I have the cream color long. Ooh, I have a pink. Should I change out the purple for a pink? I think I might change out the cream for the pink. I have a pink shirt just like this. I forgot it's hanging up. We'll see. Anyways, this, black leggings, and black shoes. So super easy, super comfortable. I don't want to have to, you know, have the hassle of finding full-blown outfits. This is a very relaxed, comfortable trip. So I'm really not trying to do too much. But I think that is it. That is all I am packing. Yeah. So you guys will see that. I'm not going to do too much because I do want to still enjoy my time, okay? So I'll just be vlogging different snippets, probably like the room and when we leave and when we surprise the boys. So you guys will definitely have a video on that. But I think that is it. Yes, I finished. The boys are still asleep. Now I think I'm about to go make me some food, and I will catch y'all for Vlogmas Day 21. Tomorrow is dwindling down. We're almost there. See you guys later. Bye.